So
Yeah.
I've chosen the topic Mahakashayas today. Uh, Thank you for accepting that topic, and I know it's your passion as well, and you practice that.
Hmm.
So when we were learning Mahakashayas back in
Hmm.
our UG, it was just something we put a song, filmy songs tune to it, and we learned it by heart.
Bye.
Now it's yeah, we just learned it by heart, to be very honest. And now it seems it seemed very simple back then, but now it's very intriguing when
Hmm.
it
Hmm.
comes
Hmm.
to practice.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
So some seem very simple, some drugs are very simple, some groups are very simple, some
Hmm.
have deeper meaning to it. And today we'll try to decode what Mahakashayas mean to you, and how an ordinary Vaidya can also incorporate Mahakashayas into their practice. What is your experience with it?
Actually, the last part, what you said, how an ordinary Vaidya can incorporate Mahakasha in their practice, is actually
We are
in
all
that way
ordinary.
to think. No,
We are
ordinary.
ordinary, you are extraordinary.
No, it's not like
So,
that.
yeah,
See,
how
how
to
an ordinary
overcome that?
Vaidya, how an ordinary Vaidya can incorporate Mahakasha in their practice. Actually, Mahakashayas were meant for ordinary Vaidya in first place. Means if
Yeah,
we are not able to, we don't have that much of knowledge, we don't have that capacity to understand a drug, a combination. Understanding a drug itself is very difficult because drug isn't like it's not just see when we are using a drug, single drug, when we are using a single drug, if it is herbal, it works differently. If it is mineral, it works differently. And that's why when we see Rasaushadis have got different way of action, and Kashtaushadis has got different way of action. And the reason behind it is that Rasaushadi is elemental. There's one element, and that is used. Means if we are taking bhasma of single element, it is elemental. There's only one thing in that medicine and in that drug. But when
correct.
we are taking Kashtaushadi, it's a combination of various compounds or various elements. So there are so many things in a single drug or Kashtaushadi. So it becomes very difficult to understand how that single drug will act. And that is why when we are using a drug in a patient, we have to be very accurate while selecting a drug because the action of a drug changes means it has got various dimensions. So it changes with every patient. You cannot use a drug in all the patients and expect it to work the same way. It
Same
changes
way.
in every patient, in every aspect, in every disease. In same patient, it won't work the same way in different conditions. Like if it is Jwara and you're using one, if you're using Guduchi, it may work
Hmm.
in one patient in one way, in other patient the other way. Also, in the same patient, if he gets Jwara twice, it may not work the same way
Work.
twice. So
And also the form of the herb also, probably,
yes,
Churna,
yes,
Kashaya, Svarasa
yes.
and all of that.
Yeah. So it is difficult to like streamline through all
Hmm.
the drugs and come to a conclusion of one drug in one patient. So it is difficult, and that
Correct.
is why they came up with an idea that okay, you use this thing and you will get results. You don't need to think about many other things, different drugs, how it works, what Mahabhati combination will be there, what will be its effect, what Vichitra Pratyayarabdha it follows, and because of which how it acts. So all those things
Hmm.
bypass all those things, and you use this particular combo, and
Okay.
you'll get result. And
Okay.